Alright, welcome to my page. In this video, I'm going to tell you the biggest forest in the world. I'm going to tell you about the biggest forest in the world. The biggest forest in the world is Amazon Rainforest. Amazon Rainforest is the biggest and the largest forest in the world. The forest was discovered in the year 1502. The forest is located at the southern part of South America. The forest covers up to 5.6 million square kilometers. In the forest, up to 290 trillion trees grows in the forest. And also animals grows in the forest. Animals like jaguar, spider, monkey, and the rest of them.